Hello there, welcome to the Devon and Cornwall Isle of Scilly Natural Flood Management Studio dashboard. This is just a quick intro to show you around the dashboard and its outputs. There are a series of video tutorials also to help you get the best out of the NFM outputs that have been developed on this project. I am using Chrome to run the dashboards just because I found Chrome to be more reliable than Edge or Explorer when using Arc Online, which is the platform we're using here to present outputs from the project. So the dashboard is split into four key dashboard types: the intro, the user guide, the catchments overview, and then the management area dashboards as well. I'll very quickly go through each one because, as I said, there are more detailed videos to support you in working through each of the dashboards in more detail. So yeah, the intro dashboard just simply gives you some background information on the project. There's some links there to other information, and explains how you can use the outputs of the project, which has undertaken some natural flood management simulations and assessments for 262 catchments, 8 million field scale boundaries, 5 flood return periods, and also we've looked at 5 nature-based solution scenarios as well as part of that. And there's more information in here and further down on that. There's also a technical summary as well if you scroll down. Now jumping to the user guide, this is the user guide for the dashboard. So there's a lot more detail on how to use the different elements of the dashboard, including the catchment overview one there and the management area dashboards as well. And you can see some video tutorials there that allow you to better understand how to use the dashboards. Go back to the catchment one. We've got a video tutorial here on our NFM channel. So if I jump to the catchments overview dashboard and I scroll down, there's the video to the catchment overview dashboard, and I keep going down and wait a little bit, lots of data, and then it will load up. And here you've got a series of outputs from the project. You've got the opportunity metric outputs, and you've got the hydrology metric outputs. And for each of the outputs, we have a slider on the left-hand slide side here, and you can use the sliders to kind of screen in and screen out different data sets. We've also got return periods here to look at different return periods. So to look at return periods, I need to look at the hydrology metric. So I'll switch off the opportunity metric, switch on the hydrology metric, and then I can switch on different return periods. That's the 1 in 50. And then I can look at, let's say, how soil recovery measures change within the different catchments. So you can see that some areas have got more and less soil recovery in millimeters. Okay. So a series of sliders on the left, and on the right hand side you probably saw that as I was moving things around. On the slides on the left, the numbers on the right were changing, so that's the metrics basically that do that. There's more information on the catchment overview dashboard about how to do different things like selecting catchments and looking at some of the other data sets in the layers. So if I jump to the West Cornwall, so this is one of the area dashboards, and I scroll down, we have an opportunity and hydrology metric series of maps which start out zoomed out. This is your hydrology metric outputs, and you can zoom in. Let's zoom into pore 3 there, and it will then load up. There you go, field scale outputs for the catchment. So if I go to the 1 in 100 year outputs, you can see the outputs there for different fields. And if you clicked on the fields, it would show you the different volumes you could achieve in those fields for different intervention types. And this would also update here, basically. So at the moment, this is showing all the information in the area if I click on a field, it will just update for that field. I think that's all I'm going to tell you about for the opportunity hydrology dashboard. There's more information in the other videos, like I said. There's the natural capital dashboard as well, and which is below the opportunity hydrology metric dashboard. And in here, again, you've got catchment scale outputs here. So these are the different total costs for different catchments in the area. I think if I click on here, it's going to give me a key. Yeah, there you go. It gives you a key for the total costs in pounds. And similar to the opportunity hydrology one, if I zoom in to a catchment, so we go to Porthreath again, it will then start to show up some of, the natural capital outputs for these fields, and then the color scale basically gives you the different ranges of benefit cost in those, and I can move between scenarios and it will give me different types of outputs, and you can see things jumping in on the right hand side there, which is the different benefit costs changing. So, but there's more information in the natural capital opportunity hydrology area dashboard videos on the YouTube channel, and that's it. The other management area tabs have the same type of information, so I won't repeat that. So that's it for me. Enjoy using the dashboard, and if you've got any queries, please get in touch with us. You can there's some contact details in the intro and user guides. Cheers, bye.